Hello guys, how you guys are doing today? Welcome to Text Daily. Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro were launched in India on Wednesday. Both the new smartphones will be exclusively available via Flipkart in the country, apart from mi.com and the Mi home retail stores. The biggest highlights of the Xiaomi smartphones are the presence of 5.99-inch 18:9 display, selfie light module, as well as the large 4000 mAh battery. Both Redmi Note 5 smartphones share similar specifications with some major differences like the use of dual camera setup on the Redmi Note 5 Pro and a high resolution front camera and also the processor. The Face Unlock feature will arrive in March with an OTA update. The Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5 price in India starts at Rs. 9,999 for the 3GB of RAM and 32GB of variant, and goes up to Rs. 11,999 for the 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage variant. Color options are black, gold, lake blue and rose gold. The Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5 Pro price in India starts at 13,999 rupees for the 4GB of RAM and 64GB of variant, and goes up to 16,999 for the 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage variant. Color options are black, gold, lake blue and rose gold. And the release date for both the phones will be on February 22nd, and it will be available via Flipkart, Mi home and mi.com.